Hey guys, today I got my sister here and
Hi.
we're doing the cough drop challenge. Whoever spits it out first, they lose.
And whoever says, it's so hot,
Or drinks water, they're out.
the cup is right here in case we need water. It's my cup, and he's going to be using it, or me.
Yeah, most likely you.
No, cough drops, I use them all the time.
Okay.
So we got 4 cough drops, but we're only going to use 2.
Yeah.
Because the other 2 are for my channel. I have my own channel. It's called Norma Garcia.
Which is mine too.
But we both have the same channel names, but they're different channels.
Yeah.
They don't tell the same stuff and all that. Like
Yeah.
when I try to see if I can find his
Yeah.
when I try to see if I can find his video on my phone, it doesn't pop up.
Yeah.
Or his doesn't pop up for mine.
Yeah.
So now let's get started with the cough drops.
And there's no
Drops.
flavors.
And there is a flavor, but it's only watermelon
And kiwi.
and kiwi and lemon. This whole thing. So, ready?
Lemon.
Ready, set, go.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Mm-hmm. I still have no. Don't spit.
These are so good.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna put on a time lapse.
Yeah.
We're not gonna put on a time lapse. We're just gonna put music.
Okay, yeah. Kayla, come on.
That makes me glad. Your worst nightmare can be. Stop, Leo. Who's the baddest of them all?
Come on, keep it in your mouth.
Into my
Into it now.
world. Or off into the corporate. Come on. We're gonna change the song.
What song? Bling bling. We're gonna put a new music, and everybody knows.
Comment if you know this. It's a music video.
Okay, come on, let's do it. My cell phone. Nana, when you need my love.
Pull it up.
Call me on my cell phone.
Move. Wait a second. I don't know how to do it. I don't want to listen to this.
Wait, remember? Wait, keep it on.
You.
Remember?
Okay. Now it's my turn.
Ever since I left city, you.
Nah, honey, I'm good. I have another. Probably should not. I got somebody at home.
Honey, I'm
good.
We still got cough drops.
And a long night here, and a long night there, and these long legs in the rain. Hold on.
After one, do try not to laugh.
My baby, got all of my love. So now,
It slipped out of my mouth.
I gotta be at home. If I say I might not leave alone. Nah, and yes, you got move. Julia, wait, let me do something. And you guys, in case you guys were wondering, these are my bangs. They're just long, so I'm using them as. I'm just gonna start pretending that this is my hair because these are actually my bangs. It just doesn't look like because they're so long. Because I got these bangs when I was little. For real. I'm 9 right now and I got them when I was 5. Oh no, 4 I mean. No baby, no baby. You got me a raw baby.
You still got yours in your mouth?
Already got all of my love.
Or did it melt?
So no, it's on my tooth right now.
It's on mine.
I might not leave alone. Wait, I'm gonna do a song on your channel.
Okay.
I have a stand. Hey you guys, so Julio, stop. So just heads up. Today I'm in the afternoon because it's morning.
I lost.
Today in the afternoon, since it's morning. I swallowed mine just right now.
And I spit out mine.
And so just heads up, in the afternoon I'm going to be doing a music video to Andy Grammer, Nana, Honey, I'm Good, on my brother's channel. And he's going to do a song on my channel.
No, I'm not. Try not to laugh.
Should not arrive at home, and if I say I might not leave alone.
My brother.
I lost. Over there. I was there. So wait, so that's all. So bye.
Bye.